Right, somebody come up beside me and press my nipple.
I'm coming up on your left-hand side.
Hang on. Is it on?
No. Right, you're on.
Cheers. Yeah, fuck it, I'm coming up the middle. Did you see me head going like this? Where the fuck is, which way is he coming? Oh, look at that boathouse.
Oh!
Very nice.
Oh, yeah. I saw that on a television programme once. Yeah. Someone doing it up, I believe.
Lovely. Oh, nice fine abode on the right hand side.
Ooh.
Pedestrians on the left.
I don't think any of us could afford it.
Should have had the 360 on. The bracken rigging.
Well, I'm not going to come back and go to your left, right.
I was going to say,
to turn it
at the
on.
next junction, if you climb into my top box, I'll tell you what, in a minute, because it is only clipping on, in a minute, I'll pull over, you lot keep going, and I'll whack the 360 on, I'll catch up with you. There's no point us all stopping for the sake of fucking 30 seconds, because it's a shame to miss that. When I pull in, I'll tell Joe to keep going. And then we can all stop. Hey!
Hey!
Nope, can't hear a fucking thing.
Right, to
Joe.
fill you in on what's been going on, Nigel's going to pull over and put his 360. Alright. Yeah, and he was going to wave you by, basically.
I'm going to pull over, but you lot keep going. I'm going to be 30 seconds, chuck me 360 on.
Are you getting off the bike?
Go on, keep going, Joe, keep going. Yeah.
17 miles on this one. 30 seconds. He's got to get off and back on the bloody thing first.
I'm off. I'm off, mate.
Let's go. If we just take a side road and just hide behind the bush, wait for him to go past. I don't know. It's Ullswater we're alongside, isn't it? To be fair, Ron, anyone can get lost on a caravan site because there's no logic to them. We'll see this massive Ferguson come flying down the road in a minute, won't we? Lovely, isn't it? Here he comes. I can see it. I could actually see his smile before his lights.
That was a lovely bit. I think Joe's doing a fine job up there. Where are we going next, Joe? Oh yeah, he'd have dropped out, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
You'll hear in a minute. Can anyone hear me?
Like you do.
Great road, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you haven't got to go like a twat to enjoy it. Although I must admit, going like a twat, I did enjoy it.
What, just that little bit more?
Yeah.
You want to come past me? It's that nice. Ooh. Come on, Brian.
Right after this speeding juggernaut. I can't remember whether I put us back up over Kirkstone Pass going back. I think I might have done.
Oh dear.
What?
What a shame.
It's great, isn't it?
I'll say it again. All the routes we've done so far, you could do them all again, but the other way round, couldn't you?
Oh yeah.
Easy, and still not get bored. Oh, I recognise that car park.
You do? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Packtalk, aren't we, and over Kirkstone the other way.
Yes.
Well done, Nigel.
Yeah, you'll go Glenridding in a minute and then up that way.
Yeah, because that's that car park we tried to turn round in but couldn't.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Where are we going, Joe?
Yeah, change the plan.
It is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
You know.
I'd have all these fucking trees cut down now so you can see the view.
Oh, can I do it? Can I do it?
What? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes when I come into work and I say to the lads, sorry lads, we've got some trees to take down, and all you hear is, oh, chainsaws, oh, fire!
Here it comes. What was you saying, Steve?
I didn't say the word.
I don't think we had to.
No, why not?
It was the insinuation.
It's just a bit of mist. That's all it is. But just in case it isn't, have you still got your waterproofs on, Nige?
The bottoms I have, not the top. I'm not too worried because
No.
the jacket was fine for 2.5 hours in a monsoon.
Yeah, it was just that gaping hole in your trousers was no good.
Yeah. Normal service has been resumed.
I do like it when we're sweeping through these bends and then you get a sign like that saying twisties ahead.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just going to get better, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Isn't it just? Like I say, we did this day before yesterday, but the other way round.
All up for sale. Macho Dolero. Oh, that's nice. Old converted church or chapel. He's going to show us the raw power now of a Volkswagen TD4.
Or come back, or else it's going to fill your lungs full of soot.
He's cranking it over. There's that perfectly smooth round hump, look.
I know we keep saying you don't need to do speed, look at the views, but speed's fun. Speed is fun.
Yeah, I was going to say just a bit more would be fucking nice.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to stick it in the third just in the hope that we might accelerate.
Looks like they've had rain down here already. Yeah, look, it's almost smooth as hell, doesn't it, that one, compared to all the others?
It is, isn't it?
Alright, so we take the shortcut, look.
Oh, that would have hurt, wouldn't it? Now, is that a lake or is that a field? I think it is.
That has water there, permanent there.
Oh, that'll be a lake then.
It's even on the map, look, if you have a look.
Oh, yeah. This is a lake, not a field.
Oh, water on the left. Right, this is the start of the pass from here. I mean, he could have pulled in there, look, for the sake of fucking 30 seconds to let us by. He's going to go right down fucking through the gearbox going up here, isn't he, by the look of it? Well, this thing's fucking gonna get out and walk in a minute, I think. So he'll catch up. Yeah, there he is.
We can hang back a bit, wait for him, and no, it won't.
Must have wiped these camera lenses about 8 times so far up here. Going up in the low cloud now. Well, she was good as gold. She held out for us all that way, didn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, Mother Nature. Yeah.
Water's running down that waterfall today, isn't it?
Little waterfall on your left, look.
Yeah. Well, look a good one.
Nice. It's quite a bit of runoff, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a long slog on a fucking push bike up here. It's fucking dangerous. It was a stupid thing to do, actually, ride this, because cars were getting pissed off, and I don't blame them. And then they overtake you in stupid places.
Yeah. Through sheer frustration.
Yeah, and I'd be pissed off too now if I come up behind push bikes like that.
Well, you are right already, and you got a car in front of you. Down to 13 degrees.
I mean, I've put us to go the way we were, the way we come up the other day.
Yeah.
thinking it was going to be nice and clear and you can get the view going down to that left hand. Oh fucking Jesus, that's not the colour to come out the fog of you doing a U-turn. We could have gone down the struggle.
We could have done. Probably wouldn't have seen bugger all though.
What the fuck? Yeah, bound to be spinning his wheels in all the mud and the leaves. Is it school kick out? It is, isn't it? Well, look at the front bumper of this Skoda. She's clearly no stranger to arguing with a fucking dry stone wall.